Go.
What may look like a regular snowbank is actually a cave beyond your wildest dreams. All this snow came out through this little hole when Ross and I decided that being off school, we needed another bat cave. Ice edition.
Alright.
Let's go.
This is the doorway to the dorm room that got thrown out. Here's one man in the main entrance. The entrance to the bat cave. What do you think, Wyatt? Gray?
Hey.
Chief Loader? Mike? Digger?
Wyatt!
Wyatt! He's like on my ass.
Wyatt!
Wyatt, come here! Wyatt! And here you have it. They sent us out of school for a week, so what'd we do? Make another dorm room. Here's the chimney.
Between the three of us, it's probably combined man hours of 30 man hours.
We had a little.
It's a lot more work than it looks like.
We had a little fire celebration last night at the chimney.
Roof caved in.
A little bit of roof trouble, but it's still good.
Oh, why?